In this lesson, we're going to look at the 6 regions of the Pacific Northwest. This is just a brief introduction to each of the 6 regions. The learning objective for this lesson is at the end of this lesson, you should be able to list the 6 major geographic regions of the Pacific Northwest. So what are the 6 regions? Well, starting along the coast, we would find the coastal region. Then moving inland to your right, you'll see the western lowlands, then the Cascades, the Columbia Plateau, the Basin, and finally the Rocky Mountains. These 6 regions make up what we call the Pacific Northwest. If we were to break each of these regions down, we will start on the coast. The first region is known as the coastal region. It's along the coast of Oregon and Washington. It's very narrow and long. It is only 50 to 70 miles wide and around 500 miles long from the Strait of Juan de Fuca to the border of Oregon and California. The second one, moving inland, is the western lowlands. Again, this is only 50 to 70 miles wide. It's over 400 miles long from Canada through the Willamette Valley in Oregon, and it is the most populated region in the Pacific Northwest. It is often known as the economic hub of the region. Moving inland again, we will see the Cascade region. This is one of the United States' major mountain ranges. It extends from Canada to northern California, and it divides the region into 2 distinct climate regions. The next region is the Basin region. This is the smallest region in the Pacific Northwest, and all the streams and rivers in this region never make it to the Pacific Ocean or the Gulf of Mexico. The 5th region is the Columbia Plateau. This is the largest region in the Pacific Northwest, 400 miles from north to south and 500 miles from east to west. Much of this region is a plateau made from lava, and in portions it is as deep as 1,000 feet. The final region is the Rocky Mountains. This is the largest series of mountains in the Pacific Northwest. It is located in the northeastern portion. So when we look at these 6 regions, we find along the coast, the coastal region. Moving east, we come into the western lowlands, then the Cascades, the Columbia Plateau, the Basin region, and the Rocky Mountain region. These 6 regions make up what we call the Pacific Northwest.